Pitigliano is a charming and picturesque town located in the southern part of Tuscany, Italy. It is known for its unique and dramatic setting, as the town is perched on a tough cliff, surrounded by deep valleys and ravines. The historic center of Pitigliano is characterized by narrow streets, stone buildings, and a rich history that dates back to Etruscan times. The town has Etruscan origins, and visitors can explore ancient Etruscan tombs carved into the tough rock in the surrounding area. The historic center of Pitigliano is well preserved, with medieval and Renaissance architecture. Highlights include the Orsini Fortress, the Cathedral of Saints Peter and Paul, and the Palazzo Orsini. The landscape is characterized by rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves. Pitigliano is often referred to as the Little Jerusalem due to its historical connection with the Jewish community. The town's unique blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty makes it a popular destination for tourists exploring the Tuscany region. That's all for today. We are waiting for you for the next video.